Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang unang serye ng Pisiko-Matematiko sa pag-aaral po ng physics bilang introduction. Madaling pag-aralan po ang physics at hindi ito mahirap kung alam natin ang mga ideya at mga prinsipyo na nakakapaloob dito. Ang unang konsepto na pag-aaralan natin sa physics ay ang measurement. What really is physics? Physics is the most basic sa lahat ng sciences. Hindi siya applied mathematics. Math is used in understanding nature by quantifying data and its analysis. Physics also deals with the understanding of natural phenomena, observable events, like matter, energy, and their interactions. To understand physical phenomenon, it must be reduced to numbers to understand them. And to do that, the things must be measurable. Measurement is a comparison of an unknown physical quantity to an accepted or standard unit of measure. The purpose of measurement is to find out how big or how small the quantity is based on a standard unit of measure. To express the measured value, it must indicate the proper magnitude, the dimension. It must be consist of numeric and a unit. So when you say 50 meters, we mean distance, and there are two elements, the numeric value 50 and the unit of measure meter, which describes the quantity length. We use the measurement systems like British or English system and the metric system. In physics, we normally use the metric system nowadays. The metric system traditionally has what we call MKS and CGS. MKS stands for meter, kilogram, second. CGS stands for centimeter, gram, and second. In research and in physics, we use the modern metric system we call SI, or International System of Units, based on the metric units using the integral powers of 10. In SI, or modern metric system, we have the basic quantities and basic units. So length, time, mass, temperature, amount of substance, and luminosity, current are all considered fundamental quantities, and each is described by the basic units. When fundamental or basic quantities are multiplied or divided by another, the result is a derived quantity, like volume. Volume is expressed in cubic meter. That is what we call a derived unit, in which the derived quantity is expressed. Some special units are also used, like liter or milliliter. A unit symbol is not an abbreviation, so we do not use period after it. We do not pluralize, and we always use the correct unit, not a shortcut. Second is not sec, ampere is not amp. Unit symbols are always written in lowercase, unless the unit is after the name of a scientist. But when we use that in words, we use the lowercase. In using the units, we should observe consistency. If you are using MKS, you use meter and kilogram. If you use CGS, you use centimeter and gram, so that the units can be expressed properly. One should make units consistent. for computational purposes. For example, 1 kilometer per second is not the ordinary method, so we must convert that to meter per second. To convert that, we should note the relationship of kilometer and meter. Note that 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. Hence, we write the given 1 km over second multiplied by 1,000 meter over kilometer. This 1,000 over kilometer or 1,000 meter divided by 1 kilometer is what we call the conversion factor. And we cancel some units. We obtain this 1,000 meters per second. The ratio 1,000 meters over 1 kilometer is called the conversion factor. So if we have 0.5 kilometer per second, then 0.5 kilometer per second times 1,000 meters over 1 kilometer, and cancelling same units, we have 500 meters per second. Suppose the unit is 1 kilometer per hour. What is this in meter per second? The conversion factors are 1,000 meters over kilometer and 1 hour over 3,600 seconds. So we multiply it to 1 kilometer per hour in our solution, and we cancel some units. We obtain 0.277 meter per second. It is important that the factor label method is used in units conversion. Remember also the traditional system in unit conversions like British and metric system. For example, 2.2 pounds is equal to 1 kilogram. If you weigh 160 pounds, how many kilogram are you? So conversion factor 1 kg over 2.2 pounds, we have 72.72 kilograms. The unknown unit must be in the numerator in this case in using the conversion factor. Now try this. You can pause the video and try this simple conversion using factor label method. You can pause the video and then compare your answer to this one, answers for questions 1, 2, and 3. If you have some questions, write in the comments below the video. In using SI prefixes, we affix that to the unit, and the magnitude is defined like kilopascal, 1,000 pascals. Maraming salamat po. And kung may mga tanong po kayo, just write your comments down here. Please support my science channel, Physical Mathematical. Please like, share, and subscribe. And our next topic is the continuation, a detailed topic on dimension analysis or factor level method. Hanggang sa muli, please take care and be safe. Magandang araw ulit.